Anytime now. Larga! It's a perfect beginning to all the runners sailing away at the center, running by the rail, Alice's Choice. Then comes Blue Chic, Run Like the Wind, followed by Hot Gossip, Fire Prince running second last, and Sibayan's Angel is the early trailer, heading towards the 3/4 mile pole, sailing away, running by the rail, Run Like the Wind is on the outside. Then comes Alice's Choice, running by the rail, Blue Chic, Hot Gossips down in fifth. Then comes Sibayan's Angel, Fire Prince now running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. 2 and 3 spotting it out for the lead, sailing away, running by the rail to take second now is Blue Chic. Arriving on the outside is Hot Gossip. Past the last 900, sailing away. Now parting it out with Blue Chic. Hot Gossip moves up to grab the lead. Now we have Hot Gossip on the outside, running by the rail is Blue Chic. Alice's Choice running in between runners. Then comes Run Like the Wind, Fire Prince, Sibayan's Angel. As they swing to the fourth turn, now it's Blue Chic, or rather that's Hot Gossip from the outside. Alice's Choice by the rail. Blue Chic is spreading out, 4 and 50 more to run. It's Hot Gossip in front, running by the rail. Alice's Choice, Blue Chic running in between runners as they swing for home. Hot Gossip followed by Alice's Choice, Blue Chic moving up on the outside, Sibayan's Angel, and moving up now Fire Prince sailing away, and Run Like the Wind with the last 200 meters more to run. Hot Gossip far too good for this race over Blue Chic and Alice's Choice. And finally the program closer, Hot Gossip, Blue Chic, Alice's Choice, Fire Prince sailing away for your pentapecta. Then comes Run Like the Wind and